Hey guys, I'm back and I'm finally here with a new makeup video. I know it's been like 6 months since I've done a makeup video, but I just been feeling super uninspired and feeling like you guys see all of this stuff all the time. But I mean, I don't know. I told myself I'm gonna go ahead and film a video for you guys and see how you guys respond to a makeup video since I haven't done it in so long. Well, it's kind of like a get ready with me. I didn't really show you my hair, but you guys have seen a video of me straightening my hair with my leave out. I'll leave it right here and down in the description box below. So I just filmed this quick, simple, everyday glam. If you guys want to see how I created this look, just continue to watch.
Oh girl, so fierce.
Now starting off, I've already moisturized and primed my face. I'm just going to color correct using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Orange and a Morphe brush to go ahead and blend this out. For foundation, I'm going to be using Makeup Forever HD foundation. This is going to be in the color Y435. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. I do like a pretty full coverage, as you guys already know. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this in using a beauty blender. I should have used a sponge, but not a sponge, a beauty brush, which I use like the Morphe M439, but mine's is dirty, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a sponge. Now for brows, I'm using ColourPop Bang & Brunette. This is their pomade. I really like this stuff. I ran out of my Anastasia pomade, so I've been using this more lately than I usually do, and I have to say it's not Anastasia, but I really do like it. It's a little bit greasier, if you will, for the lack of better words. It's just a little bit greasier than I like. I feel like the pomade, it's a little thicker and it works in my eyebrows a little bit more. If you guys want a detailed video, I will link it right here for you guys. So for concealer, I'm using ColourPop No Filter Concealer and the color Beige, I believe. It's the number 45. It's Deep Beige. I apologize, in number 45. So I'm just going to apply this in all my areas I usually apply. Down the bridge of my nose. You know the good stuff underneath my eyes. So for contour, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. This is my favorite. I've had this one for like ever. I should probably retire this one and try something else. I've been on strike from Tarte lately, just because of the whole situation, but I don't know. Part of me wants to give them another try just because like I really do like the foundation. Oh my god, the struggle is real. I'm going to go ahead and use a Real Techniques brush to blend this in. I've been liking using liquid contour or cream contour. It just adds for more pigmentation, I feel like, and my contour lasts all day long when I do it that way. So after I let that sit for just a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with the Beauty Blender. I like this color, but I feel like it's a little bit more pink than I'm used to. I used the number 40, like I used all of it already, and I should probably place another order with ColourPop for some more. But I'm going to wait until Shayla comes out with her collaboration that she has going on with them, and I'll just order it all in like one big package so I can get it all together, because I'm so excited. If you guys are excited about Shayla's collab, down in the comment box below, put purple hearts, because you know Shayla's favorite color is purple. So if you guys are excited like me, down in the comment box below, put some purple hearts. I love it. I can't wait. So for setting, for setting underneath my eyes, I'm going to be using Beauty Bakerie setting flower in the color Yellow. This is actually another product that I need to re-up on. I've had this product for quite some time. They actually even came out with new packaging. So yes, your girl definitely needs to order some more Beauty Bakerie setting flower. I have so many empties. If you guys want to see an empties video, give this video a thumbs up. But for setting the contour, I'm just going to be using the medium to tan Anastasia contour kit. And I'm going to be using a brush from Sophie Glam. I love these brushes. If you guys want to see a video about these brushes and know some more information about them, because they are such cute marble brushes, I'll leave that in the description box below. But I'm going to set all of this using my MAC Studio Fix Pressed Powder and NC45. I hate that I have to set this. I've been using my Fenty foundation for so long, and that's empty as well. So I had to set this because that foundation definitely needs to be set, especially because I'm oily. So for blush, I'm using Bellissimo Bronze from Milani. You guys know this is my favorite. And of course, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the color Molten Gold 100. You guys know I freaking love this highlight. Like, ever since I found it, I swear I don't need anything else in my life. And the drugstore price is like, for me, honey, I love it. Give it to me. Wee wee. So this Real Techniques brush has become my favorite highlighting brush. I traded it in for the fan brush from Morphe. Oh my god, honey. It's like perfect. It fits everywhere. It's so cute and pink. I love it. With the same powder that I used to set my face, I'm just going to go ahead and set my lids because it does have concealer. And taking MAC Saddle, I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. It is just going to be, what the hell did I just say? It is just going to be one solid color on my lid. So, I mean, the blending is going to be pretty easy. I'm just using a Morphe brush. It's like a blending brush, and it's nice and full, so it fits all over the lid, but still giving me that blended out effect, like, into the brow. So just take your time with this. It shouldn't take that long because you're only using one color, but you still want it to look nice and blended in. I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom lash line. I always feel like that adds so much to even the laziest looks. So for liner, I'm using the NYX Gel Liner. I've really been enjoying this liner. And for mascara, I'm using Benefit's Their Real Mascara. This is a sampler, but I'm definitely going to be buying the original. Jordana 12-Hour Liner is what I'm going to be using to line my bottom lashes. So for lipstick, I decided to go with the red lip. I decided either between the Ombre Lip Wand and Pretty Pocket Pear, Sephora's Always Red, or Nabby's Angel Red. I decided to choose a Sephora just because I really like the finish. These are their satin lip paints. If you guys are interested, I will definitely leave a link down in the description box below. It's super long lasting and one of my favorites. So I definitely need to slay this hair, girls. So bear with me. I'll be right back. Final look, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody who might find it useful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.